Do you want us to extend our downwind for that Boeing?
Extend your downwind a little bit, but it looks like you're veering off left. Just check your compass, make sure you're on the 330 now.
330-105 Hotel Foxtrot.
155-800, and I got the traffic to my right.
Thank you.
Traffic to our left.
5 left. 1 Hotel Foxtrot, contact departure 120.05.
Departure 120.05.
Number 188 Kilo Mike back.
188 Kilo Mike, we 24 runway 24.
188 Kilo Mike, Long Island Tower, traffic landing departing 15 right and left, fire to you, 24, clear for the option. On the upwind runway heading maintain 2000.
Runway heading maintain 2008 Kilo Mike.
16016. Arrow 905 Hotel Fox. Let's see, no visual with the traffic on the left side tonight.
Yeah, visual, I'm looking to make the full stop for 905 Hotel Fox.
Long Island Tower, SKYHAWK 108, Hotel Foxtrot, west end of the field, request taxi back.
Hotel Foxtrot, Long Island Tower, 15 right, taxi right with
15 right via Whiskey 108, Hotel Foxtrot, sir.
528 Tower, hold short, traffic short, final, be with you in a second.
Hotel 15 right, Southwest 528.
5 Hotel Fox, when able, turn right downward, please. Traffic 4 mile final, 54.
Go turn right now, 105 Hotel Foxtrot.
Terminal 80 Sierra, as you touch down, runway heading, I'll call your crosswind. Do not turn until I tell you.
Do not turn until you tell me. Continue, check.
528, wind 15012, 15 right, cleared. Take off.
Let's take off 15 right, Southwest 528.
105 Hotel Foxtrot, traffic landing and departing 24, and departing 15 right prior to you. Caution with several, so we'll be scrubbing 3 off 15 right. 15 right, clear for the option. 528, departure now 2005, see?
Southwest 528, good day, sir. And now Long Island Tower, 95 Hotel Fox, left downwind 15 right.
95 Hotel Foxtrot, number 2 for 15 right, following your company off your left side. Left side is low, number 2, 15 right, still on.
The land, have traffic to site, 95 Hotel Fox, 15 right.
South 105 Hotel Foxtrot, full stop.
South 105 Hotel Foxtrot.
Brilliant.
Land 105 Hotel Foxtrot, thanks.
0 Sierra, let's see, number 3 for the field, number 145 left, traffic ahead of you, 12 o'clock in a mile and a half, based upon a 1,000 feet of stairs, 15 right, 15 left, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, 15 left. Number 3 to 15 left, 800.
You're number 1 for 15 left, you can turn base.
Okay, thank you, 800.
Base for 15 right, no back, sir.
Okay, inside, turning base at 0 Sierra, clear to land, clear for the option, 15 left for 800.
Picture 10 Victor Lawn, Tower 15 right, taxi Alpha, Whiskey, cross runway 2.
Long Island Tower, SKYHAWK 108, Hotel Foxtrot, holding short 15 right at Whiskey, ready to take off.
108 Hotel Foxtrot, Long Island Tower, be with you in a second. Aspect you're off the top, you're going to be ready, I think?
Negative, we need to run them.
Tower, good evening, Neutral 7 November, Holtzman.
So 7 on the time.
Check out from Tower for a westbound departure below 14, check out to the west.
So 7 taxi at Hotel, be with you in a second.
Hotel and hold.
5 Hotel Foxtrot, right, 24. So right on 24, then Whiskey to the ramp this week.
24 Whiskey to the ramp this frequency, 105 Hotel Foxtrot.
And 16090. 108 Hotel Foxtrot, company traffic, Cherokee 2 mile final, 15 right, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 108, Hotel Foxtrot on 15 right.
25 Hotel Foxtrot, 1 departure, company fully ready. Terminal, rolling on 15 left. Visual traffic, Skyhawk upwind on 1-5 right next. Visual traffic, short final Cherokee, for 1-5 right. Clear for takeoff, speed direction south. Tower cab, behind the tower cab on foot.
Okay.
Radar contact on 330 anchor at altitude.
Coming up 400.
Bravo South Fox to right, Bravo 2, Bravo Whiskey to the infantry.
Right, Bravo 2, Bravo Whiskey, with the frequency and the 5 other one, thank you.
108 South Fox, try, maintain visual with the traffic off your left side of the left traffic, contact the left.
Keep visual of the guy in front of me, I can see him, and left traffic, contact departure, 108 Hotel Foxtrot.
Thoroughly 00, turn down.
Number 108 Hotel Fox, New York departure with a contact line maintained 2,500.
2,500, 108 Hotel Foxtrot.
108 Hotel Fox, understand you have visual on the traffic off you 11 o'clock in a mile.
Yes, sir, I've got it.
16237, traffic's off you 3 o'clock in a mile, eastbound of Cherokee at 3,000.
Traffic 16237.
The 71 Hotel Fox, clear for the ILS-24 approach. Circle runway 15 right, contact tower 193, good day.
If the ILS-24 approach, circle line, runway 15 right, next call, help you, name, Toronto, Foxtrot, good night.
Right. Number 188 Kilo Mike, landing 090.
0908, New York, contact New York, this is rotation 1,000 points.
11965, Quebec, New York departure, unable anymore, GPS 15. I got approaches coming in runway 24, iso same tension.
I can do the GPS 2 forward, rotation serve network 2.
108 Hotel Fox, landing 360.
360, 108 Hotel Foxtrot.
Moving in from the west, level 1, level 2, rain showers with light turbulence. Number 108 Hotel Fox, you copy that?
Yeah, some weather coming in from the west, 108 Hotel Foxtrot.
Good afternoon, New York departure at 6510 off the Delta is climbing 600, 2,000.
510 Alpha Delta, New York departure at a contact line maintained 5,500. Turn left on course for Bedford.
255, clear on course, 0 for Delta.
Hotel Fox, resume on down.
Resume on 108 Hotel Fox.
Number 4674 Julie, you're outside my airspace. Return to code 1200, trying New York 120.8. 74 Julia, squawk 1200. Number 510 Alpha Delta, change my frequency 125.97. Number 188 Kilo Mike, contact tower 193.
Oh, Mike, 38, Mike.
199 Hotel Fox, descend maintain 2000.
Maintain 2000, and 99 Hotel Fox.
Head approach, 765-605, we'd like to head back to Farmingdale, request termination.
65605, squawk 1200. Radar service terminated, frequency change approved, good day. Number 108 Hotel Fox, you're about to enter some level 1, level 2 preset.
At 108 Hotel Foxtrot, let's head back to
108 Hotel Fox, fly heading at 230.
230, 108 Hotel Foxtrot.
108 Hotel Fox, you have the current ATC code, November? Alright, you had 3 aircraft calling in one time. The only one I want to answer from is November 108 Hotel Fox. November 108 Hotel Fox, you have the current ATC, yes or no?
Got November 108 Hotel Fox.
November 99 Hotel Foxtrot, change to my frequency, 120.05. Craft ending in Juliet, say the call sign. 108 Hotel Fox, descend and maintain 2000, contact the tower, 119 at 3.
Descend and maintain 2000, contact tower, 119.3, 108 Hotel Fox. Tower, SKYHAWK 108 Hotel Fox, with you 2,400 for 2,000.
Hotel Fox, along tower, 1-5 right. Clear line.
1-5 right, clear to land, 108 Hotel Fox.
Turn on Hotel Fox, along tower, doing a left down, 1-5. 80 CR, you going back to mid-out? Roger, 80 CR, keep your feet up and right on 24. 24, Alpha 1, cross runway 10. Actually, 80 CR, hold short of 24 for a second, hold short of 24. 3734, short of 24.
Hold short of 24, behind 4.
Kilo Mike heading 270, maintain 2000.
270, 2000, 8 Kilo Mike.
Falcon 9 Hotel Foxtrot, cross runway turbulence, will be a dash rate departure, full length right.
Copy, 108 Hotel Fox.
2 at 1. One at a time. 909 Hotel Foxtrot. Number 2, following your company short final, will be a dash 8 departure prior to you. Caution wake turbulence, 15 right, clear line.
With the traffic going over the line, SKYHAWK 909 Hotel Foxtrot.
8 Hotel Foxtrot, clear line.
Clear to land, 108 Hotel Foxtrot, 15 right.
4754, be with you in a second.
Short of 15 right, 4754.
Okay, thank you, sir.
On the copy, 42.
Earlier we could roll 58, be ready to go.
58, okay.
Hotel Foxtrot, number 1. This is
Correct that, number 1, Hotel Fox.
God, 108, Hotel Foxtrot, invite Bravo 2, Bravo Whiskey to the ramp district.
Turn right, Bravo 2, Bravo 1 Whiskey to the ramp this frequency, 10 Hotel Foxtrot.
Traffic not available. Hotel Fox, right Bravo 2, Bravo Whiskey to the ramp district.